Applying to El Camino College is fast and easy. Use the step-by-step guide to apply for admission and financial aid. Complete orientation and initial advising and register for your first classes. Let's get started. If you're new to El Camino or returning after being away for 2 or more consecutive semesters, apply for admission online. A few days after you've applied, you'll receive a student ID number via email. You'll also get an ECC email address. Need help with the application? Our virtual information desk is available for one-on-one assistance. Just log in and chat with us online. Everyone should apply for financial aid and explore our ECC scholarships, even if you're not sure you're eligible. It's definitely worth the time to apply. You'll want to complete the free application for federal student aid or the California DREAM Act application to apply for state financial aid. Use the school code 001197 in your aid applications. You can also browse the various El Camino College scholarships available to you. Contact our financial aid office with any questions about the application process or financial aid awards. Next, let's sign up for a new student orientation workshop with the Warrior Welcome Center. Orientation offers an essential introduction to admission, registering for classes, and finding the support you need to succeed. You can also complete an in-person or virtual orientation whenever you choose. Simply log into your MyECC, click Online Orientation, and follow along. El Camino will place you in the courses best suited to your math and English skills based on your high school GPA and coursework. Once you receive your El Camino student ID number and MyECC login info, you can complete the online English and mathematics survey at any time through your MyECC portal. Students whose first language is not English should also complete the English as a second language placement test. Students who want to enroll in Chemistry 1A should also take the Chemistry Placement Test. Get more info and sign up for assessments at the Warrior Welcome Center. An academic counselor can recommend the fastest path to your goals, saving you time and money. Schedule a counseling session before you register for classes. Now it's time to pick your classes. When the registration period opens, you'll be assigned a registration appointment. When your registration appointment date and time arrives, you'll log into the My Student portal, MyECC, and create the schedule that best meets your needs. And you're done. To review these steps, visit elcamino.edu/steps. Welcome to El Camino.